My bag is packed. I'm going on vacation for a few days. And with that, I wanted to take a bit of time today and kind of go through, the idea of trading on vacation. I receive a lot of questions on this, and obviously here in August, a lot of people still are on vacation or are just about to go on vacation. And so the question I received is, should you trade on vacation, period? My personal opinion is if you're a day trader or something really short term, I would probably avoid that. But there's an easy way to follow the market. And quite frankly, while I do this going on vacation, and I'm literally doing the sort of routine right now before heading out the door in a few minutes, this is really something that you can do all the time. You don't need to do more than this to follow the market. So what I do really is I break the market down into essentially sectors and groups and various ETFs to look at other asset classes as well. But I want to see what the most important parts of the market are doing, like the tech stock, the S&P 500, maybe bond markets, financial stocks, and I don't need to look at the computer all day to know that. So what I do is I set a few alerts on some key ETFs or key indices. So let me kind of show you what that looks like. So I actually just finished this just a minute ago on the S&P 500. And you can see I just made some very simple alerts, and I will be receiving email alerts on these. So what I did is I set an alert above the current market price. So if we were to break above the current range, I'd get alerted. And if we have a strong enough bearish reversal getting below 2 days ago's midway point, I'd be getting alerted there too. And I'm going to do the same thing. And I do this. This is really how I follow the market in general, but particularly on vacation, this is what you want to do. At least first, if you want to be somewhat involved in the market, then you'll do the same thing, say like in the bond market, TLT, right? You'd set an alert at the low end of the recent range, which is down here, and maybe at the upper end of the recent range which would be somewhere up here. And you do that, and again, the whole point of it is that you don't have to be rushing back and checking on the market all the time. You're going on vacation, and God knows I'm looking forward to a few days off here, but I'll still be getting alerted here and there if something important happens, and then I can also place a trade. Again, this is not for everyone. Not everyone has to be kept abreast of the market during vacation, and I don't suggest you actively trade during vacation. You do need time off. It's important. Body and mind. Did I just do body and mind? I guess body and mind. I don't know. Anyway, the point is that that you can still follow the market by getting alerted by text messages. Maybe it's an email. That's what I do. If I get alert on the important parts, important moves in the market, then that's really good enough for me. So I'll do that again also for the financials, maybe the XLF ETF. I'll do it for the QQQs, the NASDAQ 100. I'll do it for some important stocks, say like for the QQQs, if we were to break above, say, 182, and certainly I'll set an alert down at around 176 or so. So those are the important levels I want to be focusing on, and then I'll get alerted if something important happens. Also, again, keep in mind that, like I said last week in a video, August tends to be a binary month. So either it is extremely boring or it gets crazy busy. So if something happens over the next few days while I'm on vacation, something of importance, then this may be a signal that we're going to have a crazy month, and then I'll get alerted. But if nothing happens, which quite frankly a lot of times is the case in August, I don't want to have to chase every flickering tick on that. I prefer to take some time off. So I hope this is helpful, folks. I'll see you guys in a few days, and I'm back. Have a good week.